In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create an AI UGC ad for a digital product. And this is the result of the tutorial.
If you sell digital products and don't know what to charge, this ebook is exactly what you need. Link in my profile.
So to create that video, first we need to go to NovoAds AI, and here you need to create an account. After that, you will arrive here, and here, well, as you can see, like 10 to 20 minutes ago, I was recording this tutorial, and I had a problem with the software that I used to record. But as you can see, I want to show you another result that I had.
If you sell digital products and don't know what to charge, this ebook is exactly what you need. Link in my profile.
So, well, let's do a video like this one. To do that, first, we need to go to the image section in NovoAds AI. Here, we have to paste a prompt describing what we want. Here, I describe to create an image like the ones you are looking. Now we have to go to reference, and here we have to upload an image of our digital product. In this case, it's an ebook that I found in internet. So let's click here. Now we have to go to settings, and here in model, we have to change the model to GPT-Image 2. Then here, the quality, we have to use the medium quality. Well, we don't have to, but it's 3 times cheaper. The quality is more or less similar to the high quality. And that way we can create 3 images and not just one. So let's click here. And now we have to wait more or less 1 minute. Perfect. Here we have the images. And now we have to choose the one we like the most. Personally, I like this one. So I'm going to download the image. Now we have to go to the video section. And here we have to click in settings. And here in model, I prefer to use Kling 3.0. This is my favorite model, but if you want, you can choose Seedance 2.0, and other options that I don't recommend are Bio 3.1 or Sora 2 Pro. But well, let's use Kling. Now we have to click here, upload the image of the girl. So let's click here. Now we have to create or to paste a prompt. This prompt as well as the other are going to be in the comment section. Now we have to click here and finally in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 4 to 5 minutes. Perfect. Here we have the video. So now let's see it.
If you sell digital products and don't know what to charge, this ebook is exactly what you need. Link in my profile.
Well, I don't know what you think, but personally, I like it a lot. The video looks really realistic, the lip sync is really good, and the quality of the camera of the girl is literally better than mine. So, if you want to do a video like this one, the prompts are going to be in the comment section, and you can try NovoAds AI for just $1. This is an offer that other AI video platforms don't offer. So I recommend you to try NovoAds. So well, after saying that, if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section, and see you in the next video.